Moving away from that, with the electoral cycle entering a critical phase, the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission IEBC has intensified efforts to bring more youth into the voters' register. From universities to national forums, the Commission is urging youth to acquire national identity cards and register as voters. But even as the push gains momentum, political tension is rising, with some leaders alleging deliberate delays in the issuance of the all-important identity card. Here's Glory Githinji with that story.
Starehe boys, wapi nduru ya starehe boys?
The Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission (IEBC) has launched a nationwide voters mobilization campaign targeting institutions of higher learning, aiming to bridge the gap in youth voters turnout. Officials say many eligible young Kenyans remain unregistered, largely due to lack of identification documents.
It's not like
the message is clear: the future of the country lies in the hands of young voters, and the first step is registration.
Over 10,000 of our students have not registered as voters, and that's why the IEBC team is here. Come and make sure you register as voters.
To reinforce the message, the Commission has leveraged in national platforms such as the People's Dialogue Festival, where key stakeholders engaged on government and democracy. During the forum, the IEBC chair Erastus Ekothon announced a major step forward, which is the launch of an enhanced continuous voters registration exercise scheduled on March 30th, 2026.
I wish to inform the country, the nation, that we will be launching the mass voter registration on 30th March 2026. And we invite all of you. We will probably do it at KICC or even bring it back here, because this is the People's Park.
The new initiative is expected to streamline the registration process, expand access points, and increase awareness across the country. However, the exercise has been overshadowed by political concerns, with some leaders accusing the government for slowing down the issuance of national identity cards in certain regions. Speaking during the burial ceremony, former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua claimed the delays could disenfranchise thousands of young voters.
Habari hapa Nakuru iko ubaguzi mambo ya vitambulisho. Jamii zingine zinapewa vitambulisho haraka. Jamii zingine zinawekewa vitambulisho mwezi 3, mwezi 4. Tunataka kuuliza Registrar of Persons to apply fairness and equity across Kenya, and no children of the right age to be allowed to get identity cards before mass voter registration.
The allegations add a new layer on tension to the ongoing voters registration drive, even as the government has yet to issue an official response. Despite the concerns, the IEBC maintains that its focus remains on inclusivity and ensuring every eligible Kenyan has the opportunity to participate in the democratic process. With just days to the launch of the enhanced registration exercise, the spotlight now shifts to how effectively both the government and the electoral body will address the challenges surrounding ID issuance, a crucial step in ensuring no eligible voter is left behind.
We have Starehe Girls Center.
Reporting for Hope TV, my name is Glory Githinji.
So right about now, I'd like to